Hey guys, how's it going? I'm Richard with Beck Tools, and I just purchased this kit from Stupid Simple Tools, and it is a Mister kit. Now, the thing I really like about this kit is it is a kit. It came with everything that you see here. This is not a sponsored video. I'm not an affiliate, and I don't have any special coupon codes. I'm just a guy who's wanted to buy this for a really long time, and here's why. The kit's complete. It comes with a solenoid, and this was selectable. I selected the AC version. They have DC. They have 120 volt AC or 220. I bought the 120. That's going to hook right up to my CNC and will be triggered to turn on and off, just like my flood coolant does. Fully contained container here with adjustable pressure regulator. You've got your air in and you've got your air and your water out. The tubing they gave is like double tubing, so that way it's already connected. So that'll make routing it nice and easy, and a mounting bracket. Also, one thing I want to add, they've got a fill cap here for you to add additional coolant in the top, and there's clearance in the bracket. Now, if you want to clean it out, this whole thing comes off just like a home house filter would. Stupid Simple Tools air misting system. It's pretty easy to hook up. The only things I had to go to the hardware store for were some fittings for the solenoid. I decided to hard pipe that directly into the system, and I needed some 8 MPTs that would adapt from 1/8 to 1/4. So I picked those up at the hardware store, and I purchased some additional tubing. The tubing length that you get with the kit's probably best for a knee mill. If you're gonna run a CNC, you're gonna need, I bought 20 feet of tubing, and I used all 20 feet plus about 3 feet of the tubing that came with the kit. So if you're gonna run all the way, to the back of a CNC and route, you're gonna need more tubing. Other than that, I'm really happy with it. Like as planned, you can trigger it with the CNC controller, and you can adjust how much actual liquid you get, all the way down to basically nothing. If you just want air, which actually you can combine air blast with your flood coolant, which is something I might do periodically. And the goal there would be to have flood coolant, but then use the air blast to blast away chips. Because sometimes the parts I run load up with chips, and recutting chips is really bad for your end mills. Anyways, I hope this video is helpful. If you've been on the fence, now you can see exactly what comes in the kit. And so far, It was easy to install. Now I'm going to use this, so if you want to see how this performs, you're going to have to subscribe to the channel and check out the next video where I'm actually going to machine parts. So we'll machine aluminum parts, we'll machine steel parts, and we'll do that with the misting system. Actually, I don't know if they call it, yeah, they call it a misting. They say you won't have fog. Well, that depends what air pressure and how much stuff you put in there. So depending on your settings, you're still going to create fog. I just found that out. So it's like, and that makes sense. So I don't know why they put so much effort into saying that it doesn't make fog. Anything with air and moisture piped through a siphon can make fog. So I think if you run it at low pressure, high volume, you shouldn't get fog, which is the intent of this product. So thanks for watching, guys. Like I said, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe so you can see videos of this thing cutting and making chips with the Stupid Simple Mr. System working. Thanks. See you later.